VISLONE Bench Drill Press Review. Pros and Cons. Pros. Easy to set up. Simple to use with speed controls and power controls. Can use larger drill bits. Drills holes perfectly and efficiently. Compact and easy to use. Electric pure copper motor for durability. Multiple materials compatibility, wood, plastic, aluminum, and other soft materials. Cons. Limited up-down adjustments. Quite new in the market, so it has limited reviews. Key features. Seven variable speeds. .5 to 10 mm drilling chuck. Mini portable drill press. Benchtop, tabletop drill press. Electric pure copper motor. (1000-watt motor). (1000 to 4500 RPM speeds). Drill speed stand. Drill press stand. Works with wood, plastic, aluminum, and other materials. That's it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.